Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how you can make a 3-layer video collage in VN editor. So if you want that dynamic professional look with multiple videos playing at once, here I'm going to show you the easiest way to create it using VN. Let's start by clicking on the plus button and start a new project right here. Choose at least choose 3 videos, sorry, and here you can just tap on next. Okay, so for best result you need to have 3 landscape videos like this. And now I'm going to click on the video and crop it into 3:2 size like this. Okay, hit on a check icon and do the same steps for all of your clips. And the last one in here. Okay, so once you finish, now change the aspect ratio into horizontal. So choose a 9:16. Oops. Hit on a check icon and now you can resize the video, zooming out like this. So for the first one, I'm going to put it in the center just like this. Now click on the second video and choose these options to make it as the overlay. Click on VIP track and drag it on top of the first clip like this and adjust the position or move it to the top just like this. Okay, now for the last one, do the same step. Click on VIP track and move it to the top. Okay, so there are 2 overlay just like this. And that's it. So you'll get these 3-layer videos in VN. So guys, that's pretty simple and I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you and will level up your editing game. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorials.